morning, children. Today I am going to take third type of degrees of comparison. I taught first type and second type. First one is the ordinary type and second one is the special type. So again I wanted to remind you what are the clues of the ordinary and then special type. Okay, ma? So in the ordinary type I am not telling the common clues. So to find out ordinary and special, I am giving the particular clues. So in the ordinary type, superlative degree, how to find out? The common noun is in singular. That's the main clue. In the comparative degree, after that, any other we are using. Then positive degree, start with the no other. No other, any other, common noun, singular. These three will find only in the ordinary type. Okay, ma? Easily you can find out and write the correct answer. In the special type, common noun is in plural. After that, many other. Positive degree start with the very few. These are the clues to find out ordinary and then special type. Now we come to the third type. Third type, there is no superlative degree. Okay, ma? But don't find out superlative degree. There is no superlative degree. But we have only two degrees. That is the comparative degree and the positive degree. When you have the question in the comparative degree, what you have to observe, no? Is there negative word or not? Negative word means not. If there is a not in the comparative degree, you are going to change the comparative degree into positive degree without negative one. Okay? If there is a negative, not to use negative word, what you are going to change other degree. If there is no negative, with negative, you have to write here. For example, comparative degree with negative. You are going to change the comparative degree to positive degree without negative. Okay. Next one. If there is no negative one, you are going to change comparative degree to positive degree to comparative degree with negative. Have you understood? Okay, only two clues you have to remember. Number one, which degree it is, and next one, is there a negative or not? Comparative degree and positive degree. Okay, ma? But in the third type, we are going to see two places, two persons, and two things. Between these two only comparison, but there is no superlative degree. Okay, is it clear? So what is the common clue to find out the comparative degree? Than. What is the common clue to find out the positive degree? As. These also we have to remember. While you are writing, you have to remember what are the adjectives you are writing. Comparative degree and positive degree. Degrees also you have to be very careful. Okay, first we will take the example of two places. Two places. Bombay is finer than Madras. Finer than Madras. Here, which degree it is? It is comparative degree. Is there a negative word? No. So, what we will do according to the clue what I told? Without negative, we have to change into positive degree. Very good. So, that means Bombay is finer than, means Bombay only fine but not the Madras. Now, we will start the answer from here, not like the ordinary type and the special type. Madras is not. Is there a not? No. This is the comparative degree. Without the negative one is there. So we are going to change this comparative degree into positive degree. Actually, what is the clue to find out the positive degree? As will be there. But here, when we are using the negative one, instead of one as, we have to write the so. You have to write the so. So, Madras is not so fine as Bombay. as Bombay. Okay, ma? Have you identified what is the clue here? There is no negative. We return the negative. This is the comparative degree. This is the positive degree. Okay? This is the two places. Now we'll take the two persons. Raju is clever. Otherwise, I take the positive one. I get the comparative degree, you know. Raju is not so clever as Ramu. Here I gave without negative comparative degree. Here second one I gave Raju is not. This is the positive with negative one. Raju is not so clever as Ramu. That means Ramu only clever, but not the Raju. We given the negative one. Now we have to write that without a negative, change into comparative degree. Ramu is. We should not use the negative one. Ramu is. What is the comparative degree of the clever? Cleverer. What is the common clue in the comparative degree? That Ramu is cleverer than Raju. Okay, ma? Have you understood? Here comparative degree without negative. Positive degree with negative. Here with negative in the positive, without negative in the comparative degree. So two examples I gave. Only you remember only two. Okay. Then third one, two things. Third one is the two things. The pen is mightier than the sword. The pen is mightier than the sword. That means here, what is the mighty here? Pen only mighty, but not the sword. Strength. Mighty means strong one. So here we have to change into positive degree with the negative one. The sword is not so mighty as the pen. The sword is not so mighty as the pen. So two places, two persons and two things. Third one, there is no superlative degree. There is a comparison only between two places, two persons and two things. One, you have to remember which degree it is, the number one. Number two, is there a negative word or not? When there is a negative in the comparative, without negative you have to change into positive. If there is a negative with positive, without negative you have to write in the comparative. Two models also I give. The first one is there is no negative in the comparative degree, but we have to change into positive with negative we have written. Okay. Then second one, with the negative it is in the positive degree, without negative we have to write in the comparative degree. The third one also, the pen is mightier than comparative degree without negative is there, with the negative we change into positive degree. But in the negative, when we are using, instead of one as, we have to use the. So this also very important. When you are writing the degrees of comparison, you have to remember degrees also. So what is the comparative degree? What is the positive degree? But in the third type there is no superlative. So these two only you have to know. Most probably then three types are there, no more degrees. One is the EST and ERNs, and next one is the most and more. The third one is the no need to add anything, good, better, best, bad, worse, like that. Okay. So these three types also you have to remember. It is not in the 8th class only. As long as your studies are going on, you have to remember, you have to go through all the clues. But don't by heart the grammar. You have to remember the answer. But I gave already table also. So every day you have to go through the table. Then you remember, you keep all the points in the mind. Okay, ma? Is it clear? So till I taught 3. Number 1 is the ordinary type, number 2 is the special type, number 3 is the 2 places, 2 persons and 2 things. So whenever I ask, you have to write the correct answer, but don't get any confusion. What are the common clues to find out the superlative degree? Before the adjective the, comparative than, positive as. Okay, ma? So you have to remember these 3. You never forget any answer. Okay, is it clear? Okay, bye.